Welcome to pattern making class. I'm Annette Julie, and today we are working on making a high-waisted pant. Please start with the videos on how to make your trouser pant draft, or already have a basic pant draft with you. And we're going to add the high waist on the front as well as the back. It's a very easy addition to the pattern. We're going to first measure up your desired amount here at center front and along the darts. And I'm going to go up, I'm going to say 2.5 inches, and I'm going to mark that. I'm just going to make a few little small lines. 2.5 inches. Going from my front waist up. Okay, now I'm going to go over to my back. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up the 2.5 inches and mark it. And I'm marking from the top waist edge. Going over to our side seam. Making little short lines. We'll come back and blend it. So this is our side seam, and we started at the center front and went over to side seam, and we went from the center back over to the side seam. Now we're going to go and blend those lines. Blending along the top waist edge where the darts are, continuing over to the side seam. Now grab your straight edge ruler and let's go from the center front straight up. And also where your dart legs are, bring those straight up as well. And at the side seam, draw a line straight up and then go out 1/2 inch. Angle it back to 0. There you go. Connect that a little bit more up there at the front. Front's looking good. Center back. Straight up. The dart legs, also straight up. Side seam, straight up, and you can bring that out so it matches, and we have our high waist. So here would be our notches, and then over here, of course, on the other side. And then you could have drill holes right here. About 1/8 of an inch in from those dart legs. Look, you can keep those the same. That is our front and back high waist. Now, you can use the side seam as a fitting point. You can bring this in and make a straight line or somewhere in between, and the same with the back. You can also bring these dart legs in and give yourself more room if the person is wider through here. So areas here and through the darts, all those can move in and out. When you're making a facing for the high waist, you would take all of the darts out. So you can make a tracing of this piece and take it off. Fold all the darts away, and voila, you have a facing. This is Annette Julie, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.